Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to password protect a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat DC. Let me open this PDF document. So this is the document that we are going to protect it by a password, and later on I'll show you how to remove the password as well. Simply go to Tools option, scroll down and select this Protect option. Right over here you can see we have this option Advanced Options. Click over it, and right over here we have this option Encrypt with Password. Click over it. The description says, are you sure you want to change the security on this document? Click on yes, and here we are into this new dialog box to protect our document with a password. Simply click on require a password to open the document. You can see we have two options, require a password to open the document and this grayed out option, change permissions password. Let me give it a password to open a document. Now click on the permissions, restrict editing and printing the document. Click over it, and now you can see this change permission password option gets enabled. You have to give it a different password than the one that you have put in over here. So I'm going to give a different password over here. Simply click on OK, and now it says document open password. Let me again insert the password, click on OK, and this time we are gonna give permission password, that is the permission to edit this document. Make sure to save a copy of the password, as Adobe Acrobat doesn't have the ability to store your password so that you could open it later on. Make sure to save these passwords in a safe place, because Adobe Acrobat DC doesn't have the option to get you back into your document once the password is lost. Click on OK, click on OK again, and there you can see at the top, password protect PDF secured. Now simply go to the file and save your document. Let me save it. I'm gonna give it the name password protect 3, save, and it's saved. Let me cross it from here. Let me reopen it right from this recent option. Double click, and there you can see it is asking for a password. So I'll put in the password. So I'm going to enter the first password that is needed for opening a document. Click on OK, and there we are into the document. If you are going to make some changes into the document, then you will have to click on this edit option, but you can see you can't do that unless you have the password. Yes, we do have. So I'm gonna enter the password again, click on OK, and now we can make our required changes into this PDF document. Now if you want to remove the password altogether, go again to this protect option, advanced options, and click on remove security. Again click on OK, and now you can simply save your document and close it from here. Let me close it, click over it, and this time it doesn't require any password for opening. One last thing that you need to bear in mind is that a PDF is an open source format, and anybody can use a third-party software to open it. Make sure not to use this particular option for sensitive or classified documents. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.